Thanks again for visiting iCarKits.com, the experts in iPod vehicle integration. Today we're going to be installing an iPod adapter in a 2008 Ford Edge. Let's get started by removing the factory bezel that surrounds the radio and heater controls. You can do this by popping the back right corner and sliding the entire bezel directly forward. Remove the factory radio from the dash and disconnect the plugs going into the back. Connect the vehicle-specific iPod cable that's included to the factory wires that were connected to the back of the radio. And then connect the iPod adapter to that same harness. Run the iPod cable to wherever you choose to have the iPod in the vehicle. In this case, we'll run it to the glove box. Connect the iPod cable to the adapter and stow the adapter in the open space behind the radio. Reinstall the factory radio by connecting the cables that are now coming from the back of the dash. Install the iPod back into the dash. And reattach the bezel that surrounds the factory radio. Which will snap right back into place. Connect the iPod and stow the iPod in the glove box. You've now completed the installation of the iPod adapter in the 2008 Ford Focus. Thanks again for visiting iCarKits.com.